When you receive the machine, the delivery driver will open the wooden crate as shown. Inside you will find the manual. Also in the box is the antenna and the accessory for the cup holder, the weight. The keys you will find are inside with the manual for the machine. To open the corn container. Open the door, the cup holder, inside the box you'll find the cups wrapped 25 in an elastic band. As you see them positioned in, up and then straight across, and the cups are crisscross. Just ensure they are neatly all compact, and then place the heavy weight on top of the cups with the heavy part facing the front of the machine. Approximately 100 cups to work at optimum level. And now you can turn on the machine. And wait around 30 seconds. Machine is ready to dispense. £1, £2.
Take the box, unfold it and place it in popcorn dispenser. Take the box, unfold it and place it
Unfold the cup.
dispenser. Take the box, unfold it and place it in popcorn dispenser. Take the box.
Place in the hatch. And you've got the cooking time on countdown.
Get your popcorn. Enjoy it. Get your popcorn. Enjoy it. Get your popcorn. Enjoy it. Get your popcorn. Enjoy it.
Popcorn ready.
Get your popcorn.
7 seconds.
Enjoy it.
Going.
Get your popcorn. Enjoy it.
The machine will do a final blow just to blow out any husks or any debris.
And now it's ready.
And now it's ready for the next dispense. In the black bin at the bottom of the machine, that will collect any kernels that don't pop and some bits of popcorn that don't fall in the cup. This will need emptying periodically depending on how busy the machine is. Simply take the bin out of the machine and throw away. And then reposition the box back at the bottom of the machine, and it must go under the blue pipe, which you will see there. Make sure that's underneath. Straw, the key to the lock, as you can see. Slide out, and then money is in the drawer. slide back on, turn the key. Cash drawer. And to remove the coin mech, 2 screws, one at the bottom, one at the top, gently pull away, open the flap to release any coins. To disconnect the coin mech, just gently unattach the pin plug, being careful of the 4 pins, and to reattach, place the plug over the first pin, ensuring that all pins are covered without bending them. And then just simply screw back on, top screw, and 1 screw at the bottom. When you receive your box of vending cups, they will come in a box of 1,000 and they are packed in elastic bands of 25. When you receive your cups,